What's up everybody, out here today with the Typhon 3S. Just going to give it a run with the new Turnigy Rapid batteries that I did a video on yesterday, just saying they arrived. I thought, unfortunately my Creme 6S is down at the moment. I had the ESC go up in smoke, so I'm waiting for a replacement under warranty on that. So this is the only real car. I don't want to drive my son's Notorious because I'll just fix that and I don't want to break it again before he gets to run it. So I'm out here with the Typhon. Here's the Turnigy Rapid 5500 milliamp hour 140C hard case. I'll put a link below where you can get these from. They come in 2S, 3S and 4S hard cases, but from what I've seen so far they look like pretty good packs, but I thought I'd give it a quick run. I did fully charge it and balance it. It's balanced extremely well, which I'll just show you now. So hopefully you can see that all balanced up. First cell is at 4.192 volts, second cell is 4.196 volts, and the third cell is 4.192 volts. So the difference between the lowest and the highest is 0.006 volts, 4 volts, 6 volts. So extremely well balanced. Right, we'll get it all in there, we'll give it a run. I've got my GPS on there as well, so we will see. Hopefully you guys can see that. Not sure whether you can with this light, but we'll zero that out and see what sort of speeds we get. Okay guys, so ready to give the 3S Typhon a run with the new Turnigy Rapid 3S 2P 5500 milliamp hour 140C batteries. Let's see how she runs. Oh, she's got some punch. Well, she is really in on demand now. Yeah, a serious amount of punch with these batteries, guys. I mean, I can wheelie this Typhon on command now. Trying to see what speed we can get out of her. I'm having trouble keeping that front down now. Boy, these batteries have got some real punch in them. It's almost like a different buggy on these batteries. I mean, I'm not saying that just for the sake of saying it, guys. I mean, it is serious amount of punch coming out of these batteries. I can't wait to get these in the Typhon. Not the Typhon, sorry, the Creme. Wow. I'm glad I've got 3 more coming. Seriously guys, I mean, just this first run, I highly suggest, I'm not just saying that, you know, yes, if you order on my clicks I get a bit commission and appreciate that, but I'm not saying it for that. You know, I've paid for these myself. Spent just because I wanted some hard cases, and they're so hard to get in the UK, decent ones. But these ones so far, yes, I mean they are kicking a serious amount of punch out. Obviously I'll keep going until we go LVC, and but a Typhon normally we would easily be able to hit the top speed, but with this one I think we can get it there. Let's see if we can get it there. Ease it in, ease it in, ease it in. Right, one more. I'm going to bring it in and see what speeds we got and keep that front down. One more. Get our front down. Oh, it's so hard to keep the front down now. Right, let's see what we got on the GPS. Okay, wow, 46. I can't remember what we got before. I think it was about 42 on the previous packs we were running. Hopefully you guys can see that, but yeah, we've got 46. I think that's on the grass. That's the fastest the Typhon's run that we've ever run it at. 46. That's some serious. Yeah, these packs are certainly looking to be extremely good. Rapid by name, certainly rapid by nature by the looks of it. Hard case. So far, wow, I'm seriously impressed. As I said, I've got 3 more coming, 2 more 3S's, another 4S. But yeah, seriously impressed with these so far. I'm probably going to try these when we do our next speed run as well. Take them along with the graphines and see how they compare on that. But so far, very impressed with these. Okay guys, I'm going to have fun running this now for however long it takes to drain the batteries. I will try and keep an eye on the time, let you know how much time it takes to how much run time we get. Obviously I've just had a couple of minutes now, but I'll time it from now and see how much run time we get, and I'll let you know once I get to the bit where I'm charging the batteries up again. Okay guys, catch you in a bit. Right, so we're back home now. I'm going to get it on charge. My Typhon, unfortunately, the 3S models do seem to LVC a little bit early. It's nothing to do with the battery, you get that on all the models. So anyway, we put it hooked up to the charger. Look at the monitor, you can see there that we're 9%. So as I said, the LVC it's the same on our Granite, the Typhon, the 3S models just seem to LVC a little bit earlier, which is not not necessarily a bad thing, but I know whenever I run the Creighton 6S, it tends to LVC about 4 to 5%, whereas the 3S models always LVC about 7, 8, 9%. So this one's LVC at 9%. As I said, I was running it absolute full tilt constantly. I wasn't taking it easy. I just wanted to see how much run time I could get out of it running flat out. As I said, additional 10 minutes on top of what I did with you guys, so probably 15 minutes run time flat out. So we'll get it on here now and we will get it charged up. So it's 5500, so I can set that to 5.5 amps, balance charge, 3S. I always drop it down to 4.19 volts. No particular reason, I just don't like to send it over the top. And then we'll press start and see where that takes us.
Suck me in smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew, restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control.
Okay guys, there we have it. Apologies for a few of the cut-offs mid the camera shut down because it overheated. Then I had to change the battery, and then finally what I didn't realise was that I had the capacity cut-off set on the charger to 5,000 milliamp hours, so when this one reached that it cut off. So I believe it cut off at about, it should have been 5,000 plus the 88 I then put in it, so we'll say 5,100 milliamp hours put back into it, and just so you can see there was no issue with the battery. Go into settings and we should have in here somewhere, general settings, capacity cut off 5. So that's why it cut off. So that's why it cut off when you saw it hit that, because it was saying it would hit the capacity limit. So I need to change that before I charge any more of these. Just so you can see, this is obviously the same pack. So we've got 5,000 amp hours into it. Now we will check how balanced it is. Okay, so check the balancing now. Cell 1 is at 4.2 volts, cell 2 is at 4.204 volts, and cell 3 is at 4.2 volts. So it's balanced extremely well. Again, the difference between the three cells rather, is 0.004 volts. So the pack is balanced extremely well. So we've got 5,000 milliamp hours into the pack, from roughly 9%. So again, the 5,500 milliamp hours would appear to be correct. Serious punch out of this battery, guys. For a hard pack case in the UK, the prices again, so I think the 3S's are about £47, I think. The link below, and the 4S's are £58. Again, link below. You can get them in 2S. They do 4 different 2S ones. I think they do a shorty pack, a 5,500 milliamp hour pack, a 6,500 milliamp hour pack, and a 8,000 milliamp hour pack. I haven't got the 2S's because all my trucks are 3S or 4S or 6S. So anyway, guys, hope you like this quick review and first run with these new packs. As I said, link is in the description below. I have bought these packs myself, so if you do buy from my link below, I do get a bit of commission. I'm just being upfront and honest with you. I'm not, I've run these as an independent review. I think they're excellent, especially from the UK trying to get hard packs. I've just ordered 3 more myself. Personally, I think these are excellent batteries. I wish I had more money to buy even more of them at the moment, but I don't, because I've got the Creme EXB coming. I'm going to buy the motor for that. I want to get a Typhon 6S as well, so a certain amount of funds need to go in certain places. But anyway, guys, if you like what we're doing, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, turn those notifications on so that you know when we're doing any more videos. I'm trying to do as many as I can at the moment, just on different topics. But anyway, guys, stay safe, keep well, and catch you